Inside voice. Inside voice. Hey. Sitting in my lap. Mwah. Can you show me your belly? Can you show me your belly? Where's your belly? Charlie, where's your belly? Where's your belly? Where's your belly? What? Where is it? You know where your belly is. That's Frodo. That's Frodo. Where's your belly? Yeah. That's your belly. Oh, back in my lap. Back in Mommy's lap. What is that? Is that a book you want me to read? Okay.